news, everyone!
What's up? It's Chris, the Drone Geek, and we have selected a winner for the DJI Mini 2 giveaway. I want to thank everybody for participating, signing up for it, and following my pages. And I hope that you stick around and continue to support the page because I'm going to be doing more giveaways in the future. And you know what? I just really appreciate all the love that you give me day in and day out. It's been fantastic, and I've really had a great time doing all of this. We do have the winner selected. They were responsive and they are able to accept the drone. They gave me their contact information and they don't know this. They know that I'm gonna be calling them, but they don't know that I'm gonna be calling them while recording, and this video is gonna go up on YouTube as long as they give me permission, obviously. But we're gonna go ahead, give them a call right now and let them know that they've won it. I mean, they already know that they won it, but let's just go ahead and give them a phone call anyway. Yes, congratulations are in order for Jessica. I am so happy to hear that she has nephews that she's gonna use this drone with and use this drone for. That is awesome news because that just means that we're bringing in another generation of drone pilots, or potential drone pilots anyway. So I'm super hyped that she's gonna be introducing that technology to her nephews. That's an awesome feeling, and it really makes this giveaway feel all that much better and more satisfying. So look, I know that unless you're the Jessica that I just got off the phone with, you didn't win the competition, and I'm sorry. Better luck next time is the best that I can offer, and we will be doing more giveaways. There will be a next time, I promise. I just have to recuperate, enjoy the holidays with my family, and then I'm gonna start to plan the next giveaway. When that will be, I don't know. It's gonna depend upon when I have the time, energy, and resources to do an effective giveaway again. So just sit tight with me, bear with me, enjoy my content in the meantime, and stick around because there will be more opportunities to win something like the DJI Mini 2, or maybe even better, who knows? Oh, and before I go, one last thing. This is probably the last episode of Let's Talk Drones for 2020. It was a shorty. I know that there's been a lot going on in the world of drones, particularly as it relates to the United States' economic blacklisting of DJI. So there's a lot to talk about at the beginning of 2021. I'm sure that it will have developed a little bit more to that point. We get some more information. I'll get in and elaborate on it in our next episode of Let's Talk Drones. But for 2020, this is it, guys. It's been an awesome year, and I've really loved doing Let's Talk Drones. It's one of my favorite series on my channel, so I can't wait to do it more for you next year. And we'll be adding a new dynamic to it. We are bringing a podcast-style program to Let's Talk Drones. We'll be listed on Apple's, we'll be listed on Spotify, and we're gonna have guests on to actually talk a little bit about drones and anything else we feel like talking about. All of the guests will be drone pilots or related to the drone industry in some way, so I'm really excited for 2021. It's gonna bring some great content to the channel, and especially Let's Talk Drones. So I'm gonna do my best to include everybody. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy New Year, and I will see you in 2021. That's it for me today, guys. I wanted to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. We do have a winner for the DJI Mini 2 drone. That's Jessica. Congratulations. And if you didn't win, better luck next time. Until then, I'm Chris, the Drone Geek, and I am out of here. Peace.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.